Hello, I bought Jordan's Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos course 2020 edition, and it's been brilliant, superb so far. We've been given psychology of thumbnails, how thumbnails work, what are bad thumbnails, what are good thumbnails, which will really make your views to go up. And we've been given case studies upon case studies of what are successful channels, how to study them, how to replicate them, the tags and the structure they have in terms of having a great YouTube channel success. And we've also been taught how to go deeper in terms of having things like long tail keywords and things like that. What are generic keywords? What are broad keywords? You know, I didn't have that insight before. Other YouTubers would generally talk about it, but Jordan has gone deeper into it with his course, and I recommend that you get it. And I want to thank you also for the work you do on Buy 9 to 5 YouTube channel, where you give us niche examples of competitors who are always doing something, channels which you would never dream or think of, or look at it in that way, and channels which are not too saturated, which we can easily do. You give us an example of. For that, we're grateful. Thank you for your work, and keep up the great work you do with the courses and with the Buy 9 to 5. And I plan on getting the personal branding course in a matter of weeks and months.